This is a sensor, and this is a magnet. We would like to emphasize that it is important to align these two pieces vertically to ensure that your battery lasts for as long as possible. Here is a simple trick to aligning the two pieces. Tape the sensor to the inside of the mailbox. Please remember to position the sensor towards the top half of the mailbox. If the sensor and magnet are positioned too close to the bottom of the mailbox, a fast open and close may not properly trigger the device. The next step is to place a piece of masking tape on the outer door of the mailbox. This will serve as a guide for where to position the magnet so that it is properly aligned with the sensor. Now we are ready to tape the magnet to the outer door of the mailbox. Tape the bottom of the magnet where you have placed the piece of masking tape. Close and open the door. If you have received an alert, you have properly aligned the magnet and sensor. You can now attach them permanently using the double-sided tape. This is an overview of the installation procedure for your Mailbox Alert.